Hi, I am Sayad and you are watching Automotive Revolution. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. This video is about the evolution of Škoda Octavia from 1996 to present 2025. The Škoda Octavia is a small family car C-segment produced by the Czech car manufacturer Škoda Auto. The car is front-engined and both front or four-wheel drive are offered. The first generation Octavia was released in November 1996 for the 1997 model year and was built at the modernized Škoda factory in Mladá Boleslav, Czech Republic. This generation was made available in liftback or estate styles. The RS in the UK was the top-level and quickest specification and used a 1.8-litre straight-four turbocharged engine which produced 178 bhp. The first generation Octavia had a facelift in 2000 for the 2001 model year, and was still manufactured and marketed in some markets, even after the second generation was introduced in 2004. The facelifted Octavia featured a 4x4-wheel drive version both for the estate and more popular liftback models. The 4x4 option was only available with the 1.8-litre petrol engine, the 1.9-litre diesel engine, or the 2-litre petrol engine, all coupled with a 5-speed manual gearbox, and the 1.9-litre pump-induced diesel engine which came with a 6-speed manual gearbox. The other 6-speed manual model was the 1.9-litre, only available with front-wheel drive. The second generation Octavia was introduced in March 2004. Several engine options were available. All engines are inline 4-cylinder designs, water-cooled and use multi-point fuel injection. All diesel engines are turbocharged direct injection engines. These were mated to 5/6 speed manual, 6-speed automatic and 6/7 speed DSG dual-clutch automatic transmission. A facelifted version was launched in 2009, after being formally unveiled at the 2008 Paris Motor Show. The modifications of the facelifted version include aesthetic exterior changes, mechanical changes, and interior features. The third generation Octavia was revealed on the 11th of December 2012 at the Škoda Museum in Mladá Boleslav for 2013 model year. It is the first Škoda car to feature front radar and a multi-function camera. Various engine options were available for different markets. For the front-wheel drive Octavia, engine outputs are offered of 86 to 179 PS on petrol cars and 90 to 150 PS for the diesel engines. On the 10th of January 2017 in Vienna, Škoda presented the third generation Octavia facelift. The main changes brought mainly split front headlights, a solid center section between the front grille, and a new system for predictive pedestrian protection. The Chinese version leaked in March 2017 and a totally different taillight design and similar to its bigger counterpart, Škoda Superb. The fourth generation Octavia was revealed in Prague on the 11th of November 2019. It is the first Škoda model to use a head-up display. It was available as 5-door liftback and 5-door estate. Since June 2020, the Octavia is sold as an estate and liftback with standard petrol and diesel engines, as well as a plug-in hybrid Octavia IV estate and liftback Sport Octavia RS estate and liftback, CNG, petrol Octavia G-TEC estate. A wide range of engine options were available mated to 6-speed manual, 6-speed automatic, 6/7 speed dual-clutch automatic and 8-speed automatic transmission. The liftback version was also sold in China since 2021 as the Octavia Pro and sold alongside the third-generation models. Design-wise, the Octavia Pro features an identical exterior design with the Octavia RS. It is longer compared to its European counterpart. A facelift for the Octavia MK4 range was unveiled on the 14th of February 2024. Changes include a new grille, updated front and rear bumpers, new headlights, new alloy wheel designs and increased power output for the high-performance Octavia RS. Thanks for watching Automotive Revolution. Please subscribe my channel.